This is the Iowa Weather Report for Wednesday, December 10th, 2014. And now our first look at the 0Z GFS model run at noon today. We still have this system over New England that's producing a lot of rain along the coast, snow in the interior. That'll be moving into the Canadian Maritimes. Small weak disturbance just to our south could produce a couple of clouds over our southern counties. No precipitation likely, although the GFS is showing some. Then we have the next storm moving into the west. Otherwise around here, besides the clouds in southern Iowa, highs today in the 30s to lower 40s with partly to mostly sunny skies outside the southern counties. And then it's going to be pretty much partly to mostly sunny here as we move into Thursday and Friday as well. Temperatures will slowly warm. 30s and 40s here on Thursday. System still over New England. System moving into the west. Still have the system still in the same two places as we move into Friday. Temperatures warming well into the 40s, maybe a couple of 50s in our southern counties and western counties of the state, with still a lot of sunshine around. Now we start to see Gulf moisture slowly start to begin to build in with this system moving through Arizona and Utah. We still have the system over New England moving into the Canadian Maritimes, but we should start seeing an increase in clouds on Saturday and especially on Sunday. Highs 40s and 50s, maybe even some mid-50s. Looks like Saturday will be a bit warmer than Sunday because Sunday should have more clouds. Maybe a little bit of rain moving in here by Sunday afternoon. But then Monday, it's going to be rather soggy, wet. Could see some wintry mix in our northwestern counties as cold air begins to infiltrate. But this will change over from rain to a wintry mix or snow as it ends Monday night and into early Tuesday morning. Skies should slowly clear on Tuesday with readings back down into the 30s across the state, maybe some upper 20s if we keep the clouds around longer, especially in our eastern or northeastern counties. Then by next Wednesday, that system is now in New England. We have another system diving through the desert southwest. We have another one moving into western British Columbia as well. So we have three systems, one to our east, one to our south and west, and one over the northeastern Pacific Gulf of Alaska. High pressure around here, that means temperatures will be back down at or slightly below seasonal levels, but depending on any snow cover, we'll have to wait and see. We have plenty of time to watch it. We also have plenty of time to watch this as well. This is the extended period, the 21st of December. We have a disturbance moving through the Texoma region, Oklahoma and Texas. Another system over New England moving into the Canadian Maritimes. Otherwise, it looks fairly typical. We have systems moving through, temperatures staying near seasonal levels in the upper 20s or lower and middle 30s, with some rain and or snow. It's going to depend on the timing and the temperatures at the time of any precipitation. But this is what you will want to look at. This is Christmas evening. Christmas Day at 6 p.m. Look at where the flow is coming. Straight from Santa Claus, straight across Canada, and down into the Midwest and Great Lakes. What does that mean? It means if this is to be correct, which it may not be, we could be looking at the possibility of a return to what we saw in November with temperatures very cold and very chilly. Going into the satellite image from last evening, we have the system over New England slowly moving away. It's going to stall and bring a lot of snow and rain and just plain mess over the northeast. There's a few clouds around here and the system off to our west as well. Watch warning map from last evening. You'll see the winter weather advisories and winter storm warnings in New England. We have the winter weather issues over the west. A lot of wind out there too, and a lot of water is expected to fall as well outside of the snow. Elsewhere, in between, a few fog advisories. But the QPF chart precipitation over the next 5 days through Sunday evening. At 6 o'clock, showing the main precipitation will be across New England and the west. Any of the rain around here, maybe a couple of tenths, but this will be coming on Sunday.